50,000 more in your account per month. Would that be something good for you? Imagine if you could program your mind to attract more money, success, and happiness while you sleep. Sounds like magic, right? But what if I told you that this is pure science and that you can start today in just a few minutes without spending anything? Stay with me until the end, because I will show you how to use this mental hack that millionaires already secretly use to transform their lives. Imagine for a moment you receiving 50,000 raise more in your account every month. An amount that comes in consistently, predictably, without excessive effort, without needing to sacrifice more time or energy than you already do today. Think with me, what would you do if this were your new reality? Maybe the first thing would be to pay off old debts, those that have been keeping you up at night for a long time. Or maybe you would fulfill that dream of giving your family a more comfortable life. Who knows? Maybe even take a trip that you've postponed for a long time. Now, what if I told you that this doesn't depend on you working more, nor on having a brilliant business idea? The secret is not outside of you. The secret is inside your mind. And the first step to achieving that life begins with how you program your subconscious. Discover mental resonance, the most powerful tool in the world. The link will be in the description at the end of this video. Now, I want you to imagine something simple. What if you could reprogram your mind to attract money, success, and abundance? While you sleep, it may seem like magic, but it isn't. This is science, it's neuroscience. And the best part is it's simple, it's accessible, and you can start today, right now, without spending anything. Stay with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to show you a powerful step-by-step guide that will open the doors to a new life. A method that successful people have been using for decades, often in silence, and that you will now learn. The great truth. Why do some people attract money easily? You know that person who seems to have been born lucky? That everything works out for them? Who earns well, travels the world, has time and money freedom? Maybe you've thought, why doesn't this happen to me? I try so hard and nothing changes. I understand you, because the truth is it has nothing to do with luck. And it also has nothing to do with working until you burn out. What happens is that these people have access to secret. And this secret is what you believe deep in your mind determines the reality you live. Your conscious mind, which you use to make daily decisions, is responsible for only 5% of your life. The other 95% is controlled by your subconscious. It is the true autopilot that decides whether you will live a life of abundance or scarcity. Now, I want you to think about something. How many times have you done everything right, dedicated yourself, chased after your goals, but in the end, it seemed like things just didn't flow? It's as if something invisible is blocking your financial life. And this something is not outside, it's inside, programmed in your subconscious. The roots of scarcity, where it all began. Most of our financial blockages come from beliefs we heard in childhood. Phrases like, money doesn't grow on trees, life is hard, rich people are no good, if I have money, I'll lose my friends. You can't have everything in life. These phrases were repeated so many times that they became automatic commands. Even if you don't realize it, they influence your decisions, your feelings, and your results. Have you noticed that some people feel guilty just thinking about earning more money? Others unknowingly believe that money is dirty. These beliefs create an internal conflict. On one hand, you want to get rich, but on the other, your subconscious believes that it's wrong or impossible. And do you know what happens? The subconscious always wins. But what if you could install a new program? Now imagine if it were possible to erase those old beliefs, like deleting old files from a computer, and in their place, install new beliefs that say, I am deserving of abundance. Earning money is easy and natural for me. The more I prosper, the more I help the people around me. I am a magnet for wealth and opportunities. Does it seem like a dream? It is not. It is a choice. Many people around the world have already awakened to this power. Ordinary people, like you, who simply decided to take control of their own minds. The science behind subconscious reprogramming during sleep. Now let's talk about science. Your brain goes through different waves of electrical frequency during the day and night. Beta, alert state, conscious active mind, where you are now. Alpha, relaxation state, like when you meditate or are drowsy. Theta, ideal state for mental reprogramming, between wakefulness and the deep sleep. Delta, deep restorative sleep. The theta state is the key to the vault. It is when your subconscious is most open and receptive to new information. That's why reprogramming works so well at night while you sleep. And this is where neuroplasticity comes in. The brain is moldable. It creates new neural pathways whenever you repeat a practice. These new pathways are like roads that lead to wealth, success, and abundance. The more you repeat, the easier it becomes, until it becomes automatic. What do millionaires know and not tell? Have you noticed that millionaires think differently? They talk about possibilities when others talk about crisis. They see opportunities where others see problems. Tony Robbins says, "The quality of your life is determined by the quality of your thoughts." Bob Proctor taught for decades that you do not attract what you want, you attract what you are. Joseph Murphy wrote in the classic The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Change your beliefs and you will change your destiny. They know what works and now you can know too. Now, it's your turn. The step-by-step to reprogram your mind. While you sleep, prepare the environment. Before sleeping, disconnect from the external chaos. Create a nighttime prosperity ritual. Dim lights, scents like lavender or sandalwood. Relaxing music, preferably with a frequency of 432 Hz or 528 Hz. No cell phones or negative news before sleeping. Define your wealth affirmations. Use short, powerful affirmations in the present tense. I have a millionaire mind. Money comes to me abundantly. I am worthy of wealth. Prosperity flows easily into my life. Speak out loud, write in a notebook, and feel each word. Visualize your new reality. Close your eyes and see yourself living this new life. What is the house you live in like? What car do you drive? Where do you travel to? What is it like to help your family with generosity? The more details, the better. Emotion is the fuel that accelerates transformation. Use reprogramming audios. Play affirmation audios or guided meditations during sleep. It can be an audio from YouTube or your own recorded voice. Use headphones or a gentle ambient sound, binaural frequencies or theta sounds. Waves enhance absorption. Repeat. Every day. Consistency is the secret. The brain loves repetition. In 21 days, a new pattern begins to form. In 90 days, this pattern becomes automatic. And if you don't believe it at first, that's okay. The subconscious doesn't require belief. At the beginning, it responds to repetition and emotion. If today you feel doubt, keep going. Even so, remember, faith comes by hearing and hearing again. What to expect after starting this practice? Over time, you will notice new people entering your life. Opportunities arising from where you least expect. Creative ideas and inspiration. A feeling of confidence and financial peace even before the money arrives. The external changes after the internal changes. The decision is yours now. You have two choices. Continue living under the same old beliefs, or choose a new mindset and a new destiny. You can start today before going to sleep. Take your affirmations, prepare your environment, visualize your new life, and surrender to the process. Write a financial gratitude journal. Be thankful every day for what you already have. This puts you in the right frequency. Avoid complaints about money. Every time you complain, you reinforce scarcity. Replace complaints with gratitude. Surround yourself with positive people. Avoid toxic environments and negative conversations about money. Seek out groups with a prosperous mindset. Your subconscious is fertile ground. What you plant, grows. If you plant seeds of abundance, you will harvest abundance. You deserve this new life. And you can start now. If this content made sense to you, subscribe to the channel, leave your like, and share it with someone who also needs to take this step. Thank you for your presence and see you in the next video.